Some images, videos, and information might be disturbing. Viewers' discretion is advised. If you are wondering who they can be one of us, you or me in the future. This is how 2021 may look like. Hunger pandemic. Pandemic COVID-19 will give rise to hunger pandemic by the end of the year. COVID-19 is a situation unlike anything we have faced before in our living times, and it threatens not just human life but might give rise to a new hunger pandemic and also challenge our idea of civilization, which is formed on the roots of protecting the weakest of the weak. In India, COVID-19 took its foothold early March 2020, exactly the time when winter rabi crops were supposed to get harvested. Because of the lockdown, the supply chains were disrupted. The geographical and administrational boundaries were caged, and checkposts made it more difficult for moving the farm produce. Fresh harvest was lying rotten on the fields. Dry harvest was looted by traders at a cost which was inhuman. A farmer made no money. Debts and bad loans piled up, going through trauma and depression. No money to buy seeds and fertilizers for coming monsoon and rabi season. If this emotion is not taken care of, then 2021 will give rise to a new pandemic worse than COVID-19, and that is hunger pandemic. Let's stand by our farmers. Contribute towards the seed and fertilizers they need for the coming monsoon. Today, the paddy seeds are costing around 100 to 400 rupees a kg. A vegetable seed will cost between 400 to 8000 rupees a kg. Grains would cost rupees 200 to 800 rupees a kg. A sack of organic inputs will cost around 600 to 1000 rupees per bag of 30 kgs. Triple O Farms has chosen to form a package according to village hamlets. Every village hamlet will receive 200 kgs of support in form of seeds and organic inputs. This will cost between 25,000 to rupees 50,000 depending upon the seeds and organic inputs that's chosen. We are trying to raise rupees 25,000 through donations for each village hamlet. We are trying to support 200 such village hamlets, so we are trying to raise rupees 50 lakhs through donations. Triple O Farms is known for addressing farm and farmers' issue in the past. We have worked upon soil health, crop health, including indigenous heirloom varieties, successfully setting up sustainable village economies. We have also worked in curating village as a subject in the school. We have successfully in past established supply chain links. In COVID-19, while the world was under lockdown, Triple O Farms was out on the farms and streets. Farmers are the foundation of civilization. Today, with the world under lockdown, there is a collapse of not just economy but civilization as a whole. Our founders of civilization are in distress. Let's come together to heal those who feed the world. United Nations has warned the next global pandemic may very well be a hunger pandemic as a result of the fallout from the coronavirus. But we can't tackle this pandemic alone. Please donate today. Never underestimate the difference you can make in the life of others. The hands that help are better than the lips that pray. We were not prepared for COVID pandemic. Let us be prepared for hunger pandemic, a bigger disaster. Donate generously.